I forgot to get the overlay. So, hello. Um, sorry, cameras here. Welcome to this session on Global Hack Week, Beginners Week. Um, for those who don't know me, my name is Alberto Camarena. I'm your Major League Hacking coach on Mexico. And today we'll be talking about how to install your GitHub profiles. Um, Let me see. I see a lot of comments, and I like that. Adarsh9 says, "Hey, good morning from India. Oh, it's pretty night for me. But yeah, time zones, right? Have a nice day ahead. Yeah, thanks. Good morning I have to put this on stream. Uh, Farakosa, I'm from India. Jeff, it's a very cool Pikachu. Thank you for that. Greetings from America. What part of America? Gray Bow live? Okay. Uh, some familiar names like Grid Joshix. We just were playing Scribble. Oh no, this is not from Green Yashik. Sorry, this is the one. Also from America and Southwest corner. Oh, that's really cool. Uh, Nitin, good morning. Night for some of us, good morning for some others. Amu, good morning from India. Hey, Alberto Shimeri, we also were playing. Uh, a long time to see. You see the link? Hey, Alberto, hello. I am in Ohio. But that's really cool. How's the weather there? Eastern side. Okay, that's amazing. Um, there's a kind of debate, right? Which side or which coast it's better. Uh, I have my preferences. I won't tell you. um, Greetings from the States. That's really cool. I have my tea because here where I am, it's late, and I don't know. It's a great occasion to share a tea with you. I've never been to the west side. I'm based and say East Coast. It's better. Okay. I only been on the sites, like I only visit or one of those. Texas, yeah, I visit Texas, but nothing in the middle. Like there's a lot of territory there, but and I haven't had the pleasure. Huh. Same but opposite. Okay, so I think we can start. So we can and quickly and go to rest, right? I'm going to share my screen with you, and here now you're supposed to see it, right? I'm on East Coast, but personally, the West Coast is also nice. Okay, uh, a big debate on the coast sides, but let's talk about debate in India. I don't know. There's a specific part popular in India. I haven't had the pleasure to visit it, but I like to. Um, oh yeah, continue with the stream. Here's my GitHub profile. It's kind of easy to remember. GitHub.com/ your handle, and my handle is Alberto47 in all social medias. This looks cool, like it's a good profile. Uh, I also have this other from my work account. Let's open it. Come on, open. Oh, I don't know why it's not opening. Well, I am going to. Oh yeah, just needed to reload. Then I need to go to my what? What? Lazy connection. I think that's a problem. Our stream is too much for my computer. Maybe. Come on. It's not that hard. Okay. Uh, well, this is kind of more empty because I only have repos specifically for my organization, etc. This is kind of a work profile I don't use often. You see the differences. I maybe have more contributions here because, well, I have to work. Uh, but here it only says like, hey, you don't have any repositories, I notify of my achievement, blah blah blah. But this is plain, right? This is kind of ugly. Um, how many of you have your GitHub profiles like this, like flat? Let's say that word. Well, that's why on my personal profile, open. Come on. I didn't even know you could customize your GitHub. Lol. Yeah, that is kind of a secret thing, you know. And I talk with people at GitHub, and I ask like, "Hey, why this is not a feature that because this has been there for years, and it was like an Easter egg, you know. Um, Actually, when I do this profile, like this customized thing, it was like very new. That's why I want now to change it because, to be fair, there's a lot of things that doesn't represent me anymore. You know, for example, I used to have these on my social medias, like I'm human, the dancer. You know, if you get that, let me know here in the comments. But I'm an engineer, I'm a poet, I'm an athlete, I'm a dreamer, and I'm a Jedi. I don't know why I had that, but I wish I'm a Jedi. Passionate about technology, full stack, and mechatronics student. uh, Blah blah blah. This is not even my email anymore. You know, I changed this a long time ago, but you know, that's why I want to change it now. Uh, so yes, this was like a kind of a secret thing you could do over the years. Yes, these have years. I'm kind of that old, but over the years they have make more improvements. There have more things you cannot hear. Um, they publicize that more, so it's not that kind of a secret thing anymore. There's also in the GitHub documentation, so there's not a secret, but they don't market that a lot. Like they don't tell you big and shout like, "Hey, you can customize your GitHub profile." But let me tell you, it's a very great and cool way to display your personal portfolio. Like, I'm this person. You can find more about me here, and I have some pinned repos that I actually want to update because, well, these are old, and some of them are not completely mine. Well, the contribution board, there's nothing more to change. I haven't seen my contribution settings over the years, but yeah, that's the thing. You know, we can customize it. Mine is kind of ugly too, and there's there's the link to check out. I've customized mine. I'm away. I'm here anyway to see what you guys come up with and mess with mine. Yeah. Uh, you're on Queenie 2. Yeah. Okay. I don't know what that is. Yeah, I customized two in the past, but never got sense of satisfaction. Yeah, I mean neither. You know, like I do it for the formal, like everyone who's cool is doing it, but I didn't give enough time to think about it and to make it look better. But we are going to get over that. curious if people opt to separate personal and work accounts or just take advantage of harbor repos. Uh, well, in my case, they asked me to create the GitHub account with the work mail. So that's the thing. To be honest, I prefer to have just one, and I have a lot of friends that tell me like, "Hey, they let me work with my personal repo. They just make me give me like this specific access." Uh, but that's not for every company. I think that's why even this thing I just do, like the switch account thing, it's brand new, months of implementation of that feature. uh, they didn't have it, and it was a request for lots of people like me because I find it easier to have two browsers. Like I use Firefox for fun and Chrome for work because I don't like Chrome, to be honest, but everyone does use Chrome. So when you develop, you develop for the most popular browser, right? So yeah, but now I can use just one, and I can use a single button to switch from my account. That's really cool. Here's mine, but it's for an update. Yeah, it makes sense. Okay, so let's get to the page I was telling you about, which is inside the GitHub documentation. If we go here, let me open a new tab and paste the link, and it's the full stack. It's misspelled. Oh, thank you. I will change that in a second. Um, and I probably just put front end, because I can do back, but I don't feel like I want people to know I do that. Uh, Not for anything bad particularly. I just feel more like a front end right now. Here's the link. So we open this in the doc. Inside of accounts and profiles, there's a specific part called customize your profile, and we can customize over several ways. The first one is you add. Oh, well, no, this is just an about the profile, about the organization's profile. This is kind of different. And then here, personalizing your profile. I'm going to open this in a separate tab. They tell you, like, hey, you can change your profile picture, you can add your name and things like that. Like, pretty simple, right? Like, this is not personalization. You can add the bio, which will be here. You can add settings like if you want to tell people where are you based, like what's your current time zone, things like this. Pronouns, you can add that too. Um, so let's start with the most simple things, which are these ones. Uh, let's take a look to each step, right? So change your profile picture. For the moment, I don't want to change my profile picture. I'm fine with my MLH cartoon. Changing your profile name. Um, yeah, no, not for me. Uh, Adding a bio to your profile. Let's see if I have a bio. I'm not really sure about that, but let's see. So here am I. So settings. It's taking its time. Ah, slow internet. I hate that. Is the bio like the README? No, no. The bio it used to work like in every social media. You just put your bio like there is, but then they realized at some point. Yeah, I don't even have a bio. They realized at some point that yeah, that it made more sense like treat these specific social media, let's Skype GitHub as a social media, um, in a different way, like in a more programming way. So if there's README for the repos, why don't a README for your own self, right? For or your own profile. So in the past, the only thing you can use to um, express who you are in GitHub, it was the bio, which is this one. Oh, this one. um, but now you can add the README. But again, remember, this is really, again, like an Easter egg. Some of you didn't know that you can actually add a README to your profile. And at this point, I want to say something. Uh, for those one who didn't know what a README is, a README is a document that we add to every repository to give more information about what the repo is, how you can use the technologies, what you need to do for installation, where you can find more, I don't know, how to contribute if you're doing open source, table of um, for what versions work with what other versions of the technologies. That's where you put all the important information, right? And you can do like very big readmes, or you can separate that and make like the documentation of your repo, and that's really beautiful. When we in the major league hacking, especially when I judge for the most creative use of GitHub, I do check a lot of the readmes, and I see amazing and beautiful projects making a very good use of the readmes. Because you find all well explained and even in sections. Did you know that when you're exploring a project in GitHub, you can add a README for every single folder, and that will be displayed on the GitHub's UI, and that's really cool. I just love it. But yeah, the main thing about this is someone, I don't know who, from the team of GitHub realized like, hey, if that's cool for the repos, why don't we add a README for our own profiles? So that's the difference. That's a README, and that's the difference between a README and a bio, right? So very short bio for me. It's I'm a mechatronics engineer student, and well, I don't have to add. I'm just mechatronics. Yeah. Don't worry. Mechatronics engineer student. Major league hacking coach and GitHub campus expert. So let's say that pronouns. Let's specify my pronouns. He, him. I don't use this anymore to be fair, but I want to know. Let's leave it. No, no, yeah. I'm going to. Yeah, I don't use Twitter anymore. Company. Why not? The Pico. I don't want to. Well, then why not display the current time from Mexico City? Make profile private. No. Include private. No. Yeah. Pro. Yeah. Why not? Show the pro. Show achievements. GitHub developer program. Jobs. Available for hire. Okay. So it's safe. So we can go to my profile again and let's see the changes. Now, here on the profile information, I can find my name, my handle, my pronouns, my bio. Oh, I don't like how it's here, so let's change it again. Okay, I think that's better. And eh, save it. Oh, yeah, here, save, save button. Okay, it is saved, so eh, it's good to have it, but it's not that of amazing, right? Uh, and that's it. We visit all we can do just in the profile section. Earn achievements, list of for repositories, badges. That's it. So let's close this. Cool, you're personalizing thing, but that's not what I wanted. Managing your profile rhythm. This is the thing I want. Pinning items and setting the prefer to private. We don't want to do this about the private stuff. And the pinning items, it's really simple. So let's jump into the manage your profile rhythm. So as you can see, Mona, the octocat, has a profile readme. Very simple, very short. Hi there, I'm currently working on something cool. I'm not going to tell you what. I'm currently learning with the help of .github.com. And ask me about GitHub. Simple, cool. But if I can give you my true honest, Mona, it's kind of flat. Let's keep moving. So prerequisites is that you have a okay. Sorry, it hopefully display your profile readme on your page is if all of these things are true. You create a repository with a name that matches your GitHub profile. So that's the first thing. So go ahead and create a new repo that has the same name that you have on your GitHub profile. For me, it's Alberto47. So let's see. This is come on, come on, come on. It's loading. Even when I open this, this tells me, hey, this is a special repository. It's README. This README will appear in your public profile. So this repo just has my README updated 4 years ago. You know, that's insane. Oh, I'm so old. Okay, updated 4 years ago. Yeah, I definitely needed to change this. Um, so first thing first, you have your repo matching your profile name. Second thing, the repository is public. Easy. The repository contains a file named readme.md in its root. So it has to be uppercase readme.md. The MD is for Markdown. We are going to talk more about Markdown in a second. Uh, the readme.md file contains any content, the thing we want to display, I'm guessing. So if you create a public repository with the same name as your username before July 2020, GitHub will automatically show your repository name. But you can manually share the repository with me to your profile by going to the repository and share repository. I think I had to do this. That old am I? When I did that, now I can make a GitHub pages with my profile name. What I am doing wrong? No, you can do that. Like, um, when I did that, now I can't make a GitHub pages with my profile name. Actually, if if you want a GitHub page with your profile name, you can add it here because this README is for this repo and it will be appear on your public profile page. But also, I mean, I have nothing more than that than the README, but you could add a folder, a file. I don't know what your GitHub page is for, but you can add a whole web page here and deploy it on GitHub pages. It doesn't matter. So uh, tell me, and if you're still having problems, we can check that. Yeah, yeah, that's it. That's all you have to do. So let's talk about Markdown, right? If you're not familiar with Markdown, Markdown, uh, it's kind of cool, I have to say. It's really simple to get started. It is a convention. A lot of things are using Markdown at the moment. A really big reason to you to learn Markdown it's because README it's the standard language. Uh, Markdown, I can define it as a markup language similar to HTML. You know, you can't perform actually like functions, operations, uh, store variables, a lot of things that you can do in programming languages, but meaning that markup language is that you take a flat text in txt, you make it markdown, and now you can add things like uh, bold, italic, headlines, uh, what's the name, underline, yeah, and yeah, lots of things like in a text editor, and even they have similarities with html. uh, some processors let you write actually html inside the markdown file, uh, but for now we are going to use just markdown and a specific type of markdown, which is the GitHub one. And yes, you can look for this in Google, like markdown GitHub flavored. Let's do that. Why GitHub flavored? Well, GitHub add more things. Uh, like emojis and things to make cooler to use Markdown on GitHub. Basic writing, well, even in the GitHub docs, you can find the syntax for Markdown. But there's another page called Markdown Guide. I'll show you. Let me copy and paste. I have it prepared here for you. This is a one I recommend a lot. It's quite short. Again, you don't need to learn lots of things to get into Markdown. Uh, oh, my internet connection, it's having trouble. Come on, come on, internet. Do me a favor and work properly. I cannot send the the message. Can you hear me? I just wanted to check that I'm still on stream. If no one's answer, I'm going to start getting worried. Like I'm not on live. Oh, we still got you still got me. Okay, that's fine. So why I can't send messages? Okay, I can't send messages. I don't know why. Can't hear you now. Yeah, fine, everything. Maybe there's a thing with Stringer. What issue? What do you mean? Yeah, no. I swear I'm sending messages over the streamed comments, but uh, yeah, I'm logged. That's kind of weird. Okay, but don't worry. Okay, I will send you the links to Discord when the stream is over. So if anyone wants to check it later, they will be there, right? But yeah, right now we are going to use this guide from GitHub to see what's the GitHub flavor thing. Uh-huh. Well, here explains what's Markdown, what's the flavor in GitHub Markdown, like uh, specific things that you can do here that you cannot do with other interpreters. Uh-huh. I don't know if the styles are not loading, but this page it's kind of ugly. Let me open this other one that I wanted to share with you. Oh my god. Okay. In the meantime, whenever my browser wants to load, We can go here. We can open this markdown file, and we are going to start editing this. As you can see, this is how GitHub takes my markdown file and give it like all the syntax and all the things we wanted to do. But how it's translated to that, it's here, the raw text. So in raw, we are going to see that this is not kind of fun anymore, right? You have H1s, you have break lines. I I can't remember if I used these HTML tags, or I'm guessing, yeah, I did. But what we want to do is to modify, right? Oh, I sneeze. Sorry. The browser is awful right now. I'm going to open this on my ID. Just give me a second. I'm going to clone this. And we can work now. You can see I have some extensions to make this uh, funnier. Uh, yeah, I use HTML tags. That was weird of me. But yeah, I am going to get rid of this HTML. Right? Maybe at the moment I didn't now knew how to use Markdown, but now I know. So we are going to correct this, and um, you can change. Well, no, you can prevent changing this in the future. I'm doing the right way right now. I see a question here. Why did you do the personal? Well, you remember I have two GitHub accounts, and I have then two SSH keys. Um, it's kind of troubling, to be honest, but I find the best way to connect and the secure, doing two separate SSH keys, and just applying one to the personal account and applying other one to the work account. And I make the difference doing that, the thing I did with the personal. But that's just for me. You don't need to do that. First, I'm going to open a pre-visualization. Oh, here, preview. So here's how it is seen. Here's the actually readme. I am going to open this side by side, and we can close this other one. But before we start editing, I think we need inspiration. How do I want my readme to look like? I probably need a reference, and we can find that inspiration in a very cool repo I found. Um, I am going to open it here. Uh, while this loads, let's take a look to the thing I was talking about, the guide on what Markdown is, how we can use it, and the best thing, the cheat sheet. Still not loading. Come on, load. Cool, I think it's loaded now. And we can look for the page. So here's the cheat sheet, and this tells you the extended syntax, how you can do tables, footnotes, headings, um, everything. So the basic syntax, it's for example, for headings, you add a number symbol before the text for an H1, and add 2 for H3, 3 for H, sorry, 2 for H2, 3 for H3, 4 for H4. That's it. For bold, you do like 2 marks. And if WhatsApp is popular wherever you are in the world, try send a message with these two at the beginning, and you will see what happens. Same with this. I think WhatsApp changed it. Like they have a different flavor. I think it's underscore for that. But here, if you want to do italic, uh, you do this. Subscript, superscript, highlight. This is really cool. Emojis, you can use emojis. You may recognize these kind of symbols if you use Discord. Markdown is everywhere. um, Strike through, it's the same. This works all the same in WhatsApp, for example. This is a great syntax on how to use tables. I like to separate more, like give it another indentation, but this works. Let's see if the repo opened. So cool. They have even a web page for this. But the repo, it's a curated list of awesome GitHub profiles separated by contents, by categories. So, for example, if you're a person who wants to focus on GitHub Actions, there are separate profiles for that. They have tools, they have articles, they have video tutorials, and a how to contribute section. So, we are going to open some of these and take a look to the great things that people are building. And since these are public repos, we actually can take a look to the README Markdown profile file. So we can copy whatever thing we like and bring it to our own profile. There are some about anime, even minimalistics. I probably will like the minimalistic one, and that's how I want my profile to look. But we will take a look to many of them. Um, there are tools they recommend you. You can add a to-do list, stats based on your preferred readme. You can add a visitor's badge. This is insane. And a visitor's counter with 19th style. Uh, well, lot of things to add. README Stack Overflow, the README in Medium, README in LinkedIn. README typing SGP, current book status from Goodreads. That's really cool. A lot of things, right? And a lot of articles. So this is like a really cool um, repo if you want to check it out. And if I had the chance, I'll share you the link to this. If no luck on the internet today, but you're anxious, here's the name. Awesome GitHub Profiles README by Abhishek Naidu, right? So, congratulations on that. Let's take a look to the. I'm curious about the GitHub Action ones. Why GitHub Actions? Like they trigger something with GitHub Action to add to their profiles? I don't know. Let's discover. Let's open some more. Let's open some of the gaming ones. Oh, these have tic tac toe. Let's take a look to the cold mode. Well, it's taking its time. I'm sorry about that. Um, Meanwhile, any questions like this point? Are you excited to customize your own profiles? Do you think it's worth it? Do you find it attractive? You think it matters? It doesn't matter? Tell me what you think. Okay, it seems that all I had to do was reload the page. That line is my internet connection. I think this one was from GitHub Actions. Yeah, so you can see it's kind of simple. I like the mana thing, but I don't know. This is not that attractive to me. Um, but this shows, I think, the followers, right? Lots of followers, actually. Brian Douglas. Brian Douglas, developer, program member, pro. Hmm, looks like a very popular guy. Since 2013. To be honest, 2,000 followers on GitHub. That's insane. That's a lot. um, Tom. Yeah, I get the low Tom. But yeah, I kind of don't like a lot of this. Let's skip. Let's go to the next one. Tim Burgan. Game is in progress to open. This is open to anyone to play the next move. Oh, that's really cool. So I'm guessing you make a fork to this or top 20 leaderboard moves across all games except me. That's really really cool. Like this one, it's very open source. I like it. Nice, but again, not for me. I just wanted to show this. This other one. Hi, I'm Cabbage. Welcome to my GitHub profile, personal website, Twitter, LinkedIn, some nice URLs. Why not to play a tic tac toe while you're here? Click on a tile to play. I click it on a tile. How it works, each open an Apple link embedded in an image which tracks the number of clicks and redirects you back to my profile. So yeah, that's why we are still here. Every time the program is run, it plays the move with the maximum number of clicks. It uses GitHub Actions to run every hour using a cron job. The rest is a regular game of tic-tac-toe. This is really cool. And this just says like he's yeah, he's a very um, creative person. So the about me is really cool, but looks like I don't know, old resume. But the game it's amazing. Maybe doing a little bit smaller. I don't know, but yeah, it's really cool. Oh, this one has colors. um, Matches with the profile picture. So Michael Hoffman looks like that's really cool. Looks like amazing readme. I mean I love the banner. Hi, I'm Michael. I'm helping developers to become Vue and Next experts. Badges to their social media. They have to Medium, YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter. I think these ones look very nice when you have lots of social medias you want to take people to. But for example, for me, I don't use Twitter. I have a LinkedIn. Yeah, I have an Instagram. Yeah, I don't have a YouTube channel. I don't have a Medium. I don't have a Dev too. So for me, it will be just LinkedIn and Instagram, maybe GitHub, but they are already in GitHub. So uh, I don't know. I will think to take this. I love the late post section. I love the newsletter issues, and it has stats. That's really cool. But what I love the most here is the buy me a coffee button. Really cool. 10 out of 10 for me. I really love this, but I think this doesn't apply to my specific profile because I'm not a content creator. I don't have that many social media. I don't have posts. I don't have newsletter, and I don't like the stats. I feel pressured. So it was really cool. Let's keep exploring. Why don't? This one. Hi there. I'm Himant. Huh. I'm 20 years old, full stack developer from India, learning Swift and Objective C with JavaScript, TypeScript, and React, and others. Again, the statistics, oh, because it's competitive programming, yeah, that makes a lot of sense. I like this. I like how he displayed the badges of the language tools he used. C, JavaScript, Python, React, Vue, Chrome, Cloud, and Science, AWS. Well, that's a lot. Uh, that's the thing I can add. I don't know. Uh, oh, this is really cool. Wow. Sorry for that. Uh, that's amazing. And he even has a support section. Stay awesome. I like it. I like this one. Dynamic real time. Another for dynamic and real time, maybe two. This one's a little bit of everything, but let's see first the dynamic and real times ones. These ones are kind of heavy, right? I'm a self-taught passionate front-end developer from India. Front-end engineer at the workplace, built GitHub README stats, more than 50 million hits, I'm guessing. 50k stars on GitHub. I love writing TypeScript and build a fun experience of my type level. Yeah, take its time to load. Let's see. Meantime, to open some of these, a little bit of everything. Miller Camino Vega sounds Latin. Trinity B and Sunso. So these first two were dynamic. This other one, let's see if we reload. No, no log this time. Descriptive ones, simple but innovative. Typing mode, anime. Yeah, I probably be more like this other, like the minimalistic ones. Just images, badges, fancy fonts, retro. Let's see. I think it's downloading. Wow. Logged an hour ago. Grafana, Debian, Docker, Kubernetes. Yeah, this person, Jacob Colvin, very cool. I love how simple is this. To be honest, uh, it's just hello. I'm here. Hello there. I'm Jacob Kevin. I do this. These are my profile views. These are my dogs. This is my reputation. Oh wow! Again, big presence like followers on GitHub, reputation on Stack Overflow, documentation passing test. I think profile views, the karma on Reddit. I think this is broken because it says invalid. But I'm currently working at this place. I'm currently working on my this project. I would like to talk about Kubernetes and the OSS. Learn more about my projects on the blog, issues page, LinkedIn. This is cool. Like I love this part and this favorite tech. Uh, I like better these badges than the other ones we see previously. One they were like very colorful and everything, but I don't know. This style fits more my vibe. Maybe I copy this. For the code activity, this is really cool, but I don't want this on my profile. I will not close this because I really love this part and I want something similar for myself. Hello, I'm Anurag. Uh, I think this is the other one of dynamic. I'm guessing this changes dynamically, but I don't know. This is not that eye catching, at least for me. I'm going to close it. These ones were from the section a little bit of everything, but let's start opening other ones because takes its time to load. Simple but innovative ones. Lucas Vasquez. Okay, simple but innovative. Uh, I don't know. I'm having trouble to find the innovation here. Yeah, I just say this is simple. Wow, too much color. And you see, this, for example, has a lot of content. Other ones are just, hey, I got my .bs code settings, images, licenses, etc. But here they have lots of things, lots of things. I don't know. This is really colorful, but now something I like. Okay, pass. Eh, eh, fair. I like this. It's simple, but express the point. These statistics I don't like. Uh, Web developer, okay. Portfolio projects, handles, images. Mm, nothing that I love. So let's keep this. And we are waiting this for hey, status up, gender, WeChat. I'm Lee Semming. I'm a JavaScript developer from Beijing. I really love this. I may add one of these to my profile. Projects with my work, Turks articles and tags, open source work stats. Okay, this is simple and beautiful, but I don't. Uh, this is just I don't know. No, not for me. So you see, and you get the idea, right? There's a lot of amazing rhythms to get inspired from, and I will choose one from these minimalistics. I just to open them random and then choose whatever I like more. Hey, I'm Nate. The sponsor thing, I love it. But again, I'm not creator or something. This one included tracks that I don't know that's cool. Um, but that's for me. Wylon, mm, really cool banner. But I don't want to include it. Okay, nice, nice. Its README has contributors. That's I don't know. That's weird. Lucas. Oh, I like the gray. I really like this script thing. It was really cool. So let's see, for example, here how to add the Mona, and here how he did everything. The favorite tech part. I really love the favorite tech part. Come on, open. Again, don't expect something fancy from me. I will choose just uh, a minimalistic one, something that says, "Hey, you can reach out here. This is my mail. This is my handle if you want to connect. These are my projects. I do this. I don't like to do this. Things like that." Come on, open, load. Well, these ones for sure are loading. I just hope not to have to use the images folder for this. I don't know. I don't like this part. Hmm. This is not minimalistic. Lots of information. I don't like this. Oh, this doesn't exist anymore. I like this one. Simple, but gets to the point. I don't know. Oh, I like this image. She, Laura. I like her GitHub's tights and like this image or this GIF here. Oh, I like this expand to view because it's not that invasive. I really like this profile. Oh, she's a GitHub star. Amazing. But I don't know. This is really cool, but I don't like it for myself. So I'm going to take these parts and these other parts and build my GitHub profile. I think I kind of remember why I used HTML instead of regular Markdown. I think I wanted the text to be centered, and I didn't know how to do that on Markdown. But when I see it now, I don't know. I don't like it centered. I like it better left aligned. Um, so let's change that. Come on, I need to see the code. You see Copilot? Hmm. I'm full stack developer from Mexico. I love to learn new things, and I am always looking for new challenges. I'm currently working on start. I'm a full stack developer. This is so auto generated. Uh, let's change this. A programmer. I like better that word. Wow. You see this? Someone may have something similar in its report that says maker and student of line. I'm currently studying computer science at the University of Guadalajara, blah blah blah. But no, this not applies to me. Copilot, thanks. I want to see the code. I just want to see. Is it that hard? It's so much to ask. Help me, internet. Don't be so hard. Okay. Well, for me, I'm a JavaScript script developer from Mexico. In my profile, do I display where I am from? I don't know that. Let's see. I mean, it's not bad to have both. Yeah, let's leave it. And here I want to add the Mexico flag. Who loves to learn and sharing community? Yeah, yeah. I think I can delete all of this. Bye bye. Okay. Yeah, that's not me anymore. Cyber Tech Geek, hello from New York. Hello. Hey, I'm terribly sorry. It looks like my internet connection kicked me out. Um, but I am back. I had the chance to see. No, I was gone for a second. Sorry about that. But please confirm everything's fine and we can continue with the stream. We were just able to check the code of the projects of the readmes I actually liked. And I was about to start. Oh, okay, all good. Okay, yeah, I was about to start introducing that into my README. So let me share my screen, and you should see it now. I like minimal ones too. Yeah, the other ones, I don't know. That's not me, not me. Uh, but from here, what do I really love? I'm going to open the preview. So, hello, hello. Okay, I do, I do. It's an H3. This list is this list. Then, oh no, no, this one, it's this one right here, right? So after that, this is a section I like it too, and I want to copy it. But for me, which is I'm currently working on, I can add these ones here directly. Office. It was a building, right? So something like this. I can change the currently working on because I am not working currently working in anything. Speech balloon. I like this. Global. Uh, I like to talk. Big O. And I want this to be, oh, a link to my company's website. Let me let me see if that's okay. Just to double check. Yeah, yeah, it's fine. It's this one. Sure, amazing. I like to talk about PC, another and related stuff. Uh, I would like to include that I'm coffee. Coffee. I will take this one and put it here. Just delete these other ones. Uh-huh. I always say this, but I'm a photography enthusiast, you know? GitHub knows me very well. And I now just need to check what my LinkedIn is. I always forgot this. I'm at the emoji laptop. Oh, that's Tor. I want LinkedIn. Yeah, we're almost done with this, and you will see the results. I think lots of notifications. Oh, this is private. Come and see. And add it here. Command P. We're good to go. We'll close this. Yeah, I like this. Now we had to copy the languages. Oh, yes. It take it from the. Okay, no worries. I will copy it anyway. favorite tech. Yeah, I really love that part. So that should be on my. No inline HTML for a background, blah blah blah. Okay. Yeah, I will do it because I just okay. For this, I can do this instead, and that will be just fine. And I need to search for. I don't use Golang, so this no. Per this and that. Let's change it to well Python. I do. Let's change places with Python because the first thing I want to appear here is JavaScript. And let's look for the JavaScript logo SVG. What do you like to photograph? I'm a photographer too. I like photographing birds. I like to photograph buildings. I really love the geometry and how the shades and everything, like when sun touches the ceiling, the lights that the shadows that came out of it. That's my gem. Um, let's see if Copilot helps us in this. Copilot chat. Nice. Yeah, thanks. Birds are nice too, but well, here in the city, you just have three types of birds: pigeons, the other ones we don't know, and big, uh, ugly birds. Ruta la imagen. No, okay. In this case, Copilot didn't help. So uh, I may download it. It's okay. It's okay. I will do it. Come on, do it quick. I like this one. I don't get it. Okay, if you're not going to let me download it, I'll go to. Oh, I didn't understand what happened there. Is this? Oh, is this the JavaScript? Okay. Um. So then I need a folder called images, in which I need to put this on called JS. Well, JavaScript. And now this is dot images dot JavaScript. Amazing. Now I need the logo of Python. This is nice. I can download it. SVG. Only this works. Amazing. Download. What else? I don't do Kubernetes. I don't do Docker. I don't do Debian, and I don't do Grafana. I'll say JavaScript, Python, um, MATLAB. To be, I will do. I'm against this, to be honest, because I believe TypeScript and JavaScript are not different languages. Like you only do JavaScript and you type it and you call it TypeScript. But I will do it in a separate tab because some people don't understand that. And I want to clarify, but yeah, uh, MATLAB. Let's see if they have TypeScript. This one's cool. Download. Download. MATLAB. This one works fine. Come on. You were working fine. Okay. Meanwhile, we can see what do I want from this order. Yeah, I wanted the dancing Mona. Um, yeah, I want the dancing Mona. It's with this. Cool. Then I'll add my dancing Mona in this section. Oh, we can download this. What else? What other technology I know? Huh. No, the thing is they are pretty similar. For example, you can put JavaScript, TypeScript, Node, but there for me, I think it's almost the same. So I'm sure if I want to put Node, but why not? Let's put it and let's add Git because it just looks cool, right? Um, what other? I could add Angular, but I'm not sure. Yeah, why not? Next, yeah, yes. No, they don't have an SVG for Next.js. Maybe for React. Yes. I enjoy photographing mountains here, this desert. We have night landscape. Yeah, I agree with that. So we say JavaScript, Python, TypeScript, MATLAB. We mentioned what other we downloaded. Yeah, Git. I'm going to put Angular and React. Um, this one's cool. Cool. We have 6 minutes left, so I'm going to hurry up on this. And we're just missing Angular. It's different Angular just and Angular normal, but I'm just putting the GIS for clarification that we want the Angular JavaScript framework, not I don't know, something that sounds like Angular. Oh, there's no Angular. There's Vue. Oh, here it is. No, this is Angular JS. I just want normal Angular. Ah, yeah, we wanted Node. This one I like for Node. Come on, come on, come on. This is the one, Angular. No, this has cost. Okay. It doesn't matter. No one is going to notice. This is Angular JS. No similar suggestions? No. I prefer. No, yeah, why not? So we can now open this on my downloads. All we just no, I downloaded MATLAB as a PNG. Forgot. Okay, that was fast with internet working properly. Yes, MATLAB. Yes, Node.js. Yes, Python. Just React without the JS. The just TypeScript. And I'm going to rename this as JavaScript. And we can close all, open this README. I need to preview. Close this. Site preview. I mean, Python. TypeScript. Image. MATLAB. React. Angular. Git. But I am so adding Node. Yes. image React image Angular image image Angular SVG. Oh no, this one was for Git. Why we're missing Angular one? Angular, Angular, come on. Okay, what's the thing here? Yeah, because it's Angular, yes. No. Oh, ha, I misspelled Angular. That's how I like it. I'm going to delete Git. It does not convince me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Amazing. So, I really like my README now, to be honest. Um, let's see full view. What? Why? That's sad. Oh yeah, yeah. I really like it. Let's see if we're missing something important from the previous one. We change, close this, close this, close this. Hello, blah blah blah. This doesn't matter. This doesn't matter. Uh, intended. Uh, React, CSS, Node, Express, Linux. Figma, Next.js, Git. I'm talking about 3D printing. Well, I can skip this. Maybe add it later. Feel free to reach out and say hi. I have my LinkedIn. I don't want my Twitter. I don't use it anymore. Maybe it's not that professionally in my Instagram, so yeah, it's fine to leave it. Okay, we are really good to go. I'm just adding something else, which is add a comment for say in the future I'll like to add more of the non-dev stuff like 3D print, yeah, 3D printing, modeling, etc. But this is just like a comment. We save this. We open the terminal, a new terminal with status. We add everything. Git commit, new message, update, very necessary update to my readme profile bit push origin master. Let's close this and then let's reload this. Oh yeah, but we get rid of the full stack. So look at this. This is a very beautiful readme. I really love this. I love the result, and I am out of time. That's a really good thing. There's no next stream coming. Like for this next hour. I mean, there are next streams coming. But for tomorrow, well, tomorrow ET time, later today for IST time. Uh, Hi, I recently installed my GitHub profile too. That's cool. Share it with us. How was the result? Um, yeah, I really love the result for me. I really love the dancing Mona. Uh, and this thing about the table with the technologies, amazing. So I hope you like it. Follow me on GitHub if you want. It was really nice to share this time with you, and I hope to see you in the next time. I have a stream coming tomorrow for a mini band in which we are going to uh, play that I won't lie. Let's play GeoGuessr. So tomorrow, 15 hours 80 time, we will be back again. So I hope to see you there. Bye bye.